But for those of you who want to, you know, kind of gas me up a little bit, vroom, vroom. Hello, 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 y'all. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by HergivenHair. They were kind of sending me another unit to review for you guys. Now today's video is a little different because HergivenHair is now featuring a sub brand by the name of Wings, and y'all requests have been answered a little bit. Okay, let me go ahead and say right now, a little bit. They are now offering a more affordable option to their high quality wigs, okay? Now, for some people, it still may be a little pricey, okay, I understand. But for those of us who know HergivenHair and know they be hitting the pockets, okay, with that price point, these units are about $200 to $300 less than the normal. So let's be mindful of that before we start watching the video, okay? Okay, I know we still gonna have somebody saying that's too expensive, and I know, but I'm just here to share with y'all what's available with this particular brand, and if you like it, then I love it, okay? Now for today's install, we'll be showing you guys how I can get two different hairlines with this unit, whether it's a wig or the actual hair that's on my scalp. We gonna work it out regardless, okay? But before we get into all that, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Come to DC and I can make you a believer. Make you a believer. Pretty girls rap, rap, pretty girls rap, rap, pretty girls rap, rap like this. Pretty girls rap, rap, pretty girls rap. Shawty got a big old butt, oh yeah. Bounce, 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 full. I put the city on. East Street, D Street, Rosedale, Social Carter, Caroline, Carter Turn, 1-5, Garfield,
You be the cash, I be the rubber band. You be the match, I will be a fuse. Boom, painter, baby, you could be the muse. I'm the reporter, baby, you could be the news. Cause you're the cigarette, and I'm the smoker. We raise a bet, cause you're the joker. Chipped up, you are the chump. And I could be the blackboard, you can be the top. And I can be the pop. Yeah, when the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and I. So put your pretty little hand in mine. Even when we're down to the wire, baby. Even when it's do or die, we can do it, baby, simple and plain.
'cause you're all I need.
So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on foot. Oh, in a rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. Yeah, and gratitude is a must. Yeah, we see blessings fall by my right hand. But I know for the friends that take off with the load. One time did sit down in a class and we bored dead. Only set the road and we go on with the road. Third form, me say me try a thing, and you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with chronics, I sing, yeah. See me all dig it soon, get the higher ring like hello, brother. Me say I just shot ya, saw your poster, spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul to get involved in a life, man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. Yeah, and gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall by my right hand. But I goes to the friends that take off the load. One time did sit down in a class and we bored dead. Only set the road and go on with it, go on with it. That's how our blessings are for me. And send me better than my story. That's how our blessings are for me. And that's how I live. If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no one for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I'm worth more than you could manage, yeah. Oh, you and me, oh, we could be honest. Closer to me, oh, giving me solace. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life, all like you could be. Telling me lies, making me cry, missing my time the whole time. So just be careful what you take for granted, yeah. 'Cause with me, no, you could do damage. You could do damage. You could do damage, yeah. What we about it, I'm putting pressure. You'll only get me if I let you. No, we ain't doing this just for pleasure. Either let me or I'm a lesson. If you want me, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I'm worth more than you could manage, baby. Oh, you're falling for me. Oh, baby, I caught it. Oh, we could be whatever you want, call it. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life, all like you could be. Telling me lies, making me cry, missing my time the whole time. So just be careful what you take for granted, yeah. 'Cause with me, no, you could do damage. You could do damage. You could do damage. Oh, you could do damage. No, you could do damage. Oh, you could do damage. Do damage. Oh.
Okay, so the install of this unit, I would say, was fairly easy based on what I know how to do for my units at this point in time. Okay, I was not always comfortable with the HergivenHair units. If you go back and watch my first HergivenHair review, it was rough. Okay, I didn't know how to work these curls. I didn't know how to style the unit. I didn't know about the color on me. It was just a whole bunch of I don't knows. Okay, but since then I have gotten a lot more comfortable with these units, and I know how to work them for me, as well as what products I can use and not use to make these curls popping. Okay, so if you watched the install, you saw all the products that I use. I will link them all down below. They're also listed in my Amazon store. But what we're here to talk about is the hairline. Now, this unit does come in a 13x6x1, okay, which is basically a T-part unit. You get about 1 inch of lace here in the middle, 6 inches deep to the back, and then 13 inches of lace from ear to ear. This unit does come in a coily texture and a small or medium cap size. Y'all know my head is big every day, so this joint was fitting real medium, okay, on my head. HergivenHair. I'm gonna need a large cap. Okay, I'm gonna need a large cap. I love your wigs, but your cap be too small for me. Okay, I be struggling. Who getting on the struggle bus? I am. You hear me? Give me a bigger cap. So with that being said, I knew that I didn't really want to rock this unit on my hairline. You saw the hairline came pre-bleached, it came pre-plucked, it looked real natural. If you want to rock it on your hairline, do your thing slick, okay? But I decided to take some of my hair out here in the front, put this unit behind the hairline, defined my natural hair curls, and then pin this joint up right here as you saw, and let the unit curls cascade around my eyelashes. And sis, she is sitting real nice on my dome. Okay, I'm here for how this is looking. Can you see the parting space? Somebody gonna be like, yeah, I can see it. All right, Brenda. But for those of you who want to, you know, kind of gas me up a little bit, this is how we are sitting. I'm pretty sure, I don't got my glasses on, y'all. I can't see nothing. Let me see if I can see with my glasses. If I kind of look over my glasses, that may not help, but we're gonna see. Okay, so this is me. This is me. This is the wig right here. Yeah, this is the wig right here. See this little line right there? That's the wig. See that little teeny line right there? That's the wig. And then the rest of this is just bleached knots. It is a little bright up in there, so if you want to kind of dull that down with your different type of products, then go ahead and do that. I definitely could have did that, but because the unit kind of falls naturally and it kind of covers that, I ain't worried about it. Okay, so y'all, that parting space looks nice and natural. It looks good. I also went in with my natural hairline and got her together. You saw me use my Topic hair fibers once again to get it, you know, to fill in those gaps. And then I also went in with my edge control to kind of swoop my hair, you know, every which way to kind of give it more of a natural look. And listen, this could technically be my hair. I'm really hoping that what I see in my mirror and my monitor translates to you guys. The quality didn't change just because the price point went down, okay? Only thing that changed was the lace. Lace is still really expensive right now. The pandemic changed a lot, including things for hair companies with the lace, okay? So giving us less lace helped change that price point, but the hair quality didn't change. And I'm gonna tell y'all, this product right here, the Aussie Miracle Curls Cream Pudding, yes, y'all know I love, okay, I still love my Dark and Lovely joint, okay, but this glaze can get kind of messy and sticky. Not all the time, okay, but sometimes if I get heavy-handed, it can make the hair crunchy, especially if I air dry it. This joint right here still defined the curls. It was air drying for the most part, and then I went in with my blow dry on cool, just kind of speed up a little bit. But y'all see the curls? Okay, frizz where's the frizz? Okay, barely any frizz around this unit, y'all. This is, get this, get it, okay, and the wig. I did get some tangling and shedding with this unit, not too much though, but it is to be expected because of the texture of the unit. Like I said, it is a Coily texture. Outside of that though, this is gorgeous. Now, depending on the specs you get for your unit, the cost of this unit will be a little bit higher. For my unit in particular, it is 16 inches and it is just under $300. Listen, do what you want to do with your coins. I don't control, y'all know I don't control none of that, okay? I just tell you what's available, okay? So if you want to splurge on yourself, Christmas is coming. Y'all know I stand Christmas, okay? Christmas is coming. Add her to the list, sis. Whether it's your bae, your sneaky link, your daddy papa, spend that time, okay, and get them coins. You hear me, okay? Listen. You see it, yes. So what are we thinking? Whether you want to wear it on the hairline or behind your hairline, wear it on your left or the right side or the middle part, because you can choose your parting space as well, or you can just get the middle part and just shift that joint. Okay, listen, listen, the tea is hot. But that's all I got for you guys. Shout out one more time to HergivenHair and Wings for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link for this unit as well as my specs down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.